A C- from potholes and crumbling bridges to poor water quality and an aging sewer system. That's the final report card from the Connecticut Society of Civil Engineers.
And it would cost tens of billions of dollars to meet quality standards. Channel 3 New London Bureau Chief Kevin Hogan is live now in Norwich to break down the report card for us. Kevin?
Well, Dennis and Denise, the drivers and taxpayers that we talked to gave a better grade of our road infrastructure than the Society of Civil Engineers throughout the state of Connecticut. What that society's report came out, what had a really high mark, our railroads. The 2018 annual report by the Connecticut Society of Civil Engineers says the statewide rail infrastructure carrying 41 million passengers a year gets a B+. That's the bright spot of the report, out this morning, focusing on 5 areas: rail, bridges, drinking water, wastewater, and roads. The overall grade for the state is a C-.
Now for the grades. Rail received a B, bridges a C-, drinking water a C-, wastewater a D+, roads a D+, for an overall grade point average of C-.
The report finds 7.8% of bridges in the state are structurally deficient, compared with 8.9% nationwide. They get a C- grade. While the report says our water quality is very good, the systems are aging and need repair or rehabilitation. They too earn a grade of a C-. As for the roads, they get a D+. You and I drive them every day. The Society of Engineers say they are poorly maintained, and they cost drivers $2.4 billion a year. Most of our road network is more than 55 years old. The Engineering Society says $30 billion needs to be spent to keep facilities in shape for the next 30 years.
I give it better than a C-.
Why?
Because I drive these roads all the time. And I see, I'm all over Connecticut, and I see the condition, and I see the effort that the state of Connecticut is doing.
I've lived in North Carolina, I've lived in Massachusetts, I've lived in New Hampshire, and I'm happy with Connecticut's infrastructure.
As for our wastewater facilities, they earn a D+ rating because they're aging and require a $4.6 billion investment to eliminate sanitary overflows. Finally, the Society of Engineers urges the state as well as municipalities to continue to invest in their annual budgets in infrastructure. Live at the Mobile Newsroom in Norwich, Kevin Hogan, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.